Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
First, update your iPhone to iOS 16 or later and update Airpods firmware. Next, pair Airpods to the iPhone through Bluetooth and confirm a stable connection. Open settings and allow live speech, microphone, and translate permissions for apps you will use. Turn off active noise cancellation if you need clearer ambient speech pickup. Keep AirPods charged above 30% to avoid interruptions during live translation sessions. Verify both devices are within 3 meters for reliable audio. Open the Translate app or a compatible app that supports AirPods live translation. Choose a source language and a target language from the language list. Bring AirPods close and tap the Live Translate or microphone icon to begin streaming audio. Speak clearly and at a moderate pace into the AirPods for more accurate transcription and translation. Wait for the app to display text and speak the translated output through the AirPods automatically. If using a call, enable live caption or interpret features in the call settings first. To maximize accuracy, speak at a moderate pace and pause briefly between sentences. Reduce background noise and position the microphone away from vents or wind for cleaner input. If translations drift, restart the Translate app and repair your AirPods to the iPhone. Update the app and iOS if persistent errors continue and clear app cache when possible. Consider switching to a wired headset as a diagnostic step to isolate Bluetooth issues. Finally, practice typical phrases to learn how the system renders specific names and technical terms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.